how are new signs and symptoms formed in the genes? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि जो मेरी नानी को, मेरी दादी को इश्यूज थे, मुझे सिर्फ वही इश्यूज हैं, या मेरे आगे वाली जनरेशन्स को भी सेम ही चीजें होंगी. कई बार बीच में कुछ नया भी इंट्रोड्यूस हो जाता है. तो ये जो नए कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, नए बिहेवियर इंट्रोड्यूस होते हैं, तो एक जो नए जीन्स बनते हैं या एक नए बिहेवियर्स जो ऐड होते हैं जीन्स में, वो किस तरह से होते हैं?
ड्यूरिंग योर पीरियड ऑफ लाइफ, जिस तरीके से आपने आपके बॉडी के ऊपर, आपके माइंड के ऊपर जिस तरह का जो damages create किया, some of those like smoking, drinking, all those things can create new mutations on your gene, which will be transferred to the next generation. So imagine, maybe that, अगर आपके parents ने अच्छी तरीके से, they were taking care of their, they were doing a great job in their life.
Yes.
And you got some good genes, and you can actually damage and pass it on to the next generation. So हमारा कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि अरे यार मेरे अंदर जो भी है वो सब आया हुआ है, तो मैं जो भी करता हूँ उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Yeah, so it has got an impact. May have an impact on the next generation and the generation after that. So it's very important that we need to understand how to live a good, healthy life. Very, very important. I think most of the problems in life will be solved if you know this. Almost 9 out of 10 people we meet, so they are going through some inflammation. कुछ लोगों के लिए inflammation तो उनका weight gain वो सोचते हैं, लेकिन वो inflammation है कुछ लोगों के लिए. और कुछ लोगों को पता भी नहीं है कि they are inflamed. मैं लोगों से कहता हूँ, एक simple test में बताता हूँ inflammation के लिए. जब when you wake up in the morning, if you are wearing a ring, just remove your ring, and if it is tight on your finger, you are inflamed. Period. That's the most simple test you can do. And you have no idea where you are inflamed, but you are inflamed. And जब वो टेस्ट मैंने लोगों से शेयर किया, तो बहुत सारे लोग मैसेज डालना शुरू कर दिया, सर what to do now? Till now I was thinking that I was healthy. Because after 1 hour it will be okay. But when you wake up. So I think inflammation is mainly because of the sleep, lack of sleep, because sleep is a time when you are getting a lot of repair work done. Majority of the people are not getting the proper repair done. तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि नेक्स्ट डे आपके अंदर वो जो इन्फ्लेमेशन क्या होता है, जैसे you got an injury here, a cut here, you get a redishness and a swelling. That's called inflammation. That's inflammation. But that is required for cure.
Yes.
लेकिन आपके अंदर उस तरह का इन्फ्लेमेशन है जिनको हम कहते हैं chronic
inflammation.
It's continuously there. That's what kills you. And जब आपको इन्फ्लेमेशन लग रहा है, यहाँ पे टाइटन लग रहा है, तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि your heart also is inflamed, your lungs also inflamed, your entire organs are inflamed. Imagine.
It's just a visible inflammation, but it is.
Yeah.
Yes, it is basically showing that your body is inflamed from inside.
So if you can't even fix that, how are you going to manage your life?
Yeah.
A minor thing.
Yes.
You need to figure it out. Maybe that you had some drinks on the previous night.
Yes.
Could be the reason. Or if that is the case, is there something like a post-party supplement or something? I don't know. Some methods are there, but still. But we need to figure out. You need to observe. Like आपने सही कहा, यानी कि you need to read your body all the time and understand what's going on.
We're talking about like how genes impact our health conditions. I want to talk about hormones. Somebody's libido profile or urge or other hormonal functioning in the body, are these also decided by the genes and how we are taking care of them?
Genes can influence क्योंकि उसके अंदर information है. हर एक hormone production का information gene के अंदर है. लेकिन सिर्फ genes की वजह से नहीं हो रहा है. Lifestyle plays the most important role.
Yeah.
Now testosterone, one hormone which is generally male dominant hormone. Normal अगर आप blood test करें, तो you have a range of 200 to 800 is a healthy sign. हम जब performance के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो it's testosterone, not just a sex hormone. It gives you drive. It gives you an entrepreneur needs a lot.
Yes.
So we consider in our place, we consider anyone who has got a testosterone, men who has got a testosterone level of below 600, it'll be very tough for him to be a successful entrepreneur.
Even below 600?
Yeah.
Which is like otherwise normal.
Otherwise normal. You need so much of drive. हर एक दिन आप जब, when you wake up, you need to push yourself. You need to have that level of testosterone. So we have seen the same thing. Women, when you look at thyroid cases, I don't know, it can be maybe a controversial statement, but still what we have seen is women जो hypothyroidism case में है, hypothyroidal case में है, the decisions they take when they have that condition, the decisions in business, especially in business or in job, most of the decisions will be wrong.
Women who have thyroid, hypothyroid, they cannot be.
They will take decisions.
They will take decisions, but they tend to take bad decisions.
Yes. So you cannot blame your gene for that. So it is a lot to do with the way you live. आपको आपके बारे में, आपके बॉडी के अंदर क्या चल रहा है उसके बारे में आपको जानकारी चाहिए. You need the right kind of advice, from a proper functional medicine doctor kind of a person who can actually guide you how to enhance your, testosterone level to 600, 800, 700, 900, whatever it is. So actually that is what is required when you talk about performance.
My God.
We need to fix it. Like if you have a hypothyroidism issue, you need to fix it. Period. It's not normal. Problem, Gunjan, I think right now we are living in a world where we are actually normalizing everything. Diabetes is normal. Hypertension is normal. It's okay. It's not okay.
It can actually change your life.
Absolutely.
Change your future, your present, the way you live your life. It can make you rich. It can make you poor. It can make you successful. It can make you a loser.
Absolutely. So what I say is that you should not compromise. Anyone who is having a lifestyle disease, thyroidal issues, hormonal issues, have to take a decision that I'm going to fix it. Period. Because it's your life, and we have got only one blessing. That's this life is the blessing we have got.
Exactly. And that's practically very true, because अगर किसी को कोई disease होता है, अगर किसी को कोई thyroid, diabetes जैसा problem होता है, तो उनके लिए every day it becomes very challenging.
Yeah.
Like they don't feel fresh when they wake up after a good night's sleep. They don't feel as fresh.
Exactly.
So how will they have a happy life? If they cannot even have one good happy day, how can they have a happy life?
Yeah. And most of the time, if you look at it, you are saying that because of the hormonal issues, the sleep deprivation, and many of the cases, if you look at it, what led to that hormonal issue is you compromised on the sleep some point of time in your life.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe
at some point in
time, you and now the nature is giving it back to you. Now the issue is you need to get a good, I would say, quality sleep. I'm not talking about the quantity. Some people say that 7 hours, 8 hours. Don't quantify things and get yourself stressed. A lot of people get stressed. I don't get that 8 hours sleep. Don't get stressed with that. You get a real quality sleep. You know that whether you got that quality sleep or not.
Yeah.
Aapka tomorrow jo hai, that is decided by your today's evening. आज इवनिंग से लेके आप क्या करने वाला है, that will decide your tomorrow. Tomorrow you may have a discussion which you are going to get $1 million contract. But आपने आपका जो previous night and previous evening आपने completely goof up कर दिया, so you're going to miss out that. Your brain won't work the right way.
Yes.
Because nowadays we are losing businesses at a wink of an eye. You have to be so sharp.
Yes.
Only if अगर आपको सही तरह का नींद मिला, you got a great sleep, then only your brain can function properly.
Absolutely.
With an inflamed brain, you cannot actually function properly. So on the previous evening, you have to make sure that you have that gap between the sleep and the dinner time, at least 2 hours of gap. Then you can actually make sure that you're not checking your mobiles and all, at least half an hour gap from the screen time. उस तरह का बेसिक सम एटिक्यूट आजकल बहुत सारे सोशल मीडिया में तो लोगों को पता है, So at least maintain that. I generally take magnesium every night.
Every night.
It gives me fantastic sleep.
Yes.
Now I know that we are going to have a conversation today, a podcast today. So I'm preparing today last evening.
Yes.
So, when should I sleep? Because we don't know. Every day there is a magic which is waiting for you.
Yes. So always be prepared for that $1 million deal which is going to happen tomorrow. Are you ready for it today?
Exactly.
Or are you compromising on your sleep and let it go?
Yeah.
अगर आप ये पूरा एपिसोड देखना चाहते हैं तो आप हमारे मेन चैनल गुंजन शाउट्स पे जा सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में अवेलेबल है.